In this video, we'll be discussing problem 1 of the 2020 AMY1. Problem reads, in triangle ABC with AB equals AC, point D lies strictly between A and C on side AC, and point E lies strictly between A and B on side AB, such that AE equals ED equals DB equals BC. The degree measure of angle ABC is m over n, where m and n are relatively prime positive integers. Find m plus n. So I have a diagram below this question, but please note that this diagram is not given the actual question, but if you follow the steps in the problem, you should get a diagram that looks like this. So we are looking for an angle, so let's set some variables. Let's let angle BAC be x. And the problem tells us that AE equals ED. And since angles opposite equal sides are equal, we know that angle ADE is also x. And since the sum of the sum of the angles in a triangle must sum to 180, we know that this angle AED is 180 minus 2x. And we also know that AB is a straight line, so we know that angle AED plus angle BED must sum to 180. This gives that angle BED is 2x. Going back to the problem, we see that DE equals DB. So angle DEB should be equal to DBE. So this must be 2x. Since the angles of a triangle must sum to 180, we know that angle EDB is 180 minus 4x. Using similar reasoning, we find that AC is a line, so angle BDC must be 3x. Now, going back to the problem, we see that BD equals BC, which tells us that angle DCB must also be 3x. And the sum of the angles in triangle BDC must be 180, so this is 180 minus 6x. And then the problem tells us that AB equals AC, which tells us that angle ACB is equal to angle ABC. Thus, 3x, which is angle ACB, is equal to angle ABC, which is 180 minus 6x plus 2x, which is 180 minus 4x. Adding 4x to both sides, we get 7x is 180. So x is 180 all over 7. But we're not done yet, because we let x be angle BAC, but we're trying to find angle ABC. So we have to plug in x into 180 minus 4x, which is angle ABC. Thus we get angle ABC is 180 minus 4 times 180 over 7. And evaluating this, we get angle ABC is equal to 540 over 7. Thus, m is equal to 540 and n is equal to 7. So the sum of these two is 547. And we are done.